Hey guys, it's Missy here. So we found some fireweed flowers to make some fireweed nice juice. We already got some. So let's start picking these ones. We have to make sure they don't have ants on them or bees. So here's some over here. Let's pick some. You can only take the ones that are bloomed. Like these ones over here, you can take that. See? We gotta get 16 cups of flowers. Let's get picking. You can find these flowers along the highway. That's where we parked over there. Where the highway is. Now we've got all the flowers. It's time to wash them. So, get a bucket, fill it up with cold water. Now we just wrap them soaked. Now we have the flowers all washed up. Now let's go make the syrup. You might need an adult to help. So the first ingredient is 4 cups of water, a half lemon juice, and 3 cups of sugar. Now let's pour this into the pot. Okay, pouring it in. Oh, there we go. Whoopsies. One more. There we go. All done. Now let's use this lemon juicer. So we're getting the lemon juice out of this lemon. Look how much we've gone through. Let's keep on going until we get the juicer out. So now we got all the lemon juice out of these 2 lemons. Once it's dissolved, we're gonna put it in the flowers. Now we're stirring the spoon. Now that the ingredients are all dissolved, we are gonna pour it into the flowers. Now we're gonna let it sit in the fridge for 3 days. Now that the flowers have sat in the fridge for 3 days, we are gonna strain it. Oh shoot, using this. Let's get going. We've got most of the big chunks out. Now we're gonna use a coffee filter to take the rest out. Let's get going to do it. Let's put this in the sink and let's do it. You might need an adult to help with the filter. Then I pour it in here. Now we got all the flowers out of the juice. We are gonna pour it into a little cup. We can fill it up with water or pop. And pour this in here, not much. This is how much you need. Now we're either gonna fill it up with water or pop. We're gonna add some water to the juice. Okay, now we're gonna try it.